Hi, this is Noah at ScreenPrintExchange.com, a free classified for screen printing equipment and sign printing. So today we have square drive versus Phillips, and I prefer square drive. And in the United States, everyone uses Phillips. I don't understand. So we got these two are the same thickness, a little bit longer on the brassy one, but square drive, Phillips, and then like a regular drywall screw, a little bit thinner. I originally was going to use my right hand and left hand, but it didn't work with my neck mounted camera. So we're just going to do it this way, and then I'm going to do another video with the, with two-handed, but let's start for now. Here's the brassy looking Phillips screwdriver. It makes a lot of noise. See, it's harder to put in the square drive, but I'm having problems already. Here we go with my Makita Impact, same battery. Nope, so it always falls out with these. I hate these suckers. You break them, so it's the pain in the ass. I give up on that, pissed off. So anyhow, here's a square drive. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I hate those Phillips. So I think in Canada they use the square drive more. Let's try the drywall one. Yep, maybe it's a bit. That was much easier because it was not as thick as this brassy one, or whatever they call it. Never works. Maybe I'll unscrew it. Yep, it just chews up. I don't know how people use them. So here's the square drive. A little bit hard to put in. The thing with the square drive, you can't go on, you have to go straight in. That's the only thing that's better about the Phillips. So, oh, that's me. That's not. All day. I don't get it, why people use it. So we're also going to go with hardwood in the next one. Maybe I can get two going at once. So, yeah, I mean, these are great if you want to hang your, these Phillips, if you want to hang your coats or something, but I don't understand why people use them. So it's just a bunch of aggravation. So that's this video. There'll be more on screws and Makita hammers. These things are great. Batteries are great. And appreciate the viewers. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.